Factorize each of the following. The first one is 8a cubed plus b cubed plus 12a squared b plus 6ab squared. Now, if you remember all the identities, the algebraic identities that we have discussed so far, then it's a piece of cake for you. Whenever you find a polynomial which has actually two terms that are actually cubic in cubes. Here you have 8a cubed and you have b cubed. So in that case, always think of that it's going to be related to either of these identities. Okay, either one of these identities. Now in this case, if you pay attention to this 8a cubed plus b cubed plus 12a squared b plus 6ab squared, it's actually related to this a plus b whole cubed. And how? This 8a cubed can be written as 2a whole cubed plus this as b cubed plus this as 3 multiplied by 2a whole squared, and this is b, and this is plus 3 2ab squared, right? This is 3 times of 2a squared means 4a squared, so 4 squared b, and 4 squared b multiplied by 3 is 12a squared b. Similarly this one. So if you look at this polynomial now, and if you take this one as x, so this is x cubed. If you take this one as y, then it's y cubed. If you take this one as x and then this y, so this term is now actually plus 3x squared y, and this is x, this is y, so this term becomes plus 3xy squared. Now you don't have to write this step when you are writing your paper, maths paper. It's just to explain you. Now it's of the form x plus y whole cubed. That is, it's actually what? It's 2a, that's x plus b whole cubed, right? It's of the form, this polynomial is of the form 2a plus b whole cubed. That is, we have used this identity, that is a plus b whole cubed. Now 2a plus b whole cubed means that 2a plus b multiplied by 2a plus b multiplied by 2a plus b. That is, the three factors of this polynomial are 2a plus b, 2a plus b, and 2a plus b. We have factorized this polynomial into its three factors. The second one is 8a cubed minus b cubed minus 12a squared b plus 6ab squared. Now this is two cubes, that is 8a cubed and b cubed. So it's, and we have minus sign, that means that most probably it will be related to this one only. Let's check it. This is 2a, 8a cubed. We can write this as 2a whole cubed, then minus, this is b cubed, then minus 3 2a squared b plus 3 2ab squared. Now from this one, if you take this as x, then it's actually x cubed, then minus, if you take this as y, then you have x cubed minus y cubed. This is x, this is y, 2a is x and b is y, we are assuming it. So this term becomes minus 3 x squared y, and then you have this as x and this as y. That makes this term as plus 3xy squared. Now this is of the form x minus y whole cubed. That is a minus b whole cubed. It's of that form. That means it's actually 2a minus b whole cubed. That's why the three factors of this polynomial are 2a minus b multiplied by 2a minus b multiplied by 2a minus b. These are the three factors. In this third one, we have 27 minus 125a cubed minus 135a plus 225a squared. Now, this is 27. We can write it as 3 cubed. Then we have minus. This is 125a cubed. It means that 5a cubed. This is minus 135a. Right, this is minus 135a, it means that minus 3, then 3 squared, because it's 3a squared b. What's a here? a is 3 in this case, that is 3 squared, then multiplied by, we have 5a. Why 5a? Because 5a is b here, right? Is x cubed minus a cubed, we have then minus b cubed, then minus 3a squared b, minus 3a squared b. What's b here? 5a. You can check it. 3 times 3 is 9, 3 squared is 9, 3 multiplied by 9 is 27, 27 multiplied by 5 is 125, that's here. Okay, 3, 9, 3, 27, 5, 7, 35, 5 to 10, it should be 135a. Yep, this is 135a. Sorry, I was looking at this one. It's 135a. And then you have this as 3 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 5a squared. Why 5a squared? Because it's b squared. B squared means we have taken, this is now acting as b. So this is 5a squared. So from this identity, if we check this, if we take this one as x, so this is x cubed, minus, if you take this as b, this as x, this is as y, this is x cubed minus y cubed, then minus, this is x, this is y, so this term becomes minus 3x squared y, this is x, this is y, so this term becomes plus 3xy squared. So what's x cubed here? X cubed is our 3 cubed. Sorry, now this is of the form, x minus y whole cubed. So x minus y whole cubed means 3 minus 5a whole cubed. It means that the three factors of this polynomial are 3 minus 5a, 3 minus 5a, and 3 minus 5a. These are the three factors of this polynomial, and we have factorized it. In this one, okay, so basically we can do it now. Okay, 64a cubed minus 27b cubed minus 144a squared b plus 108b squared. Okay, this is 64a cubed, write it as 4a whole cubed, minus this is 27b cubed, it means 3b whole cubed, then minus this is 144a squared b, it means that 3 multiplied by 4a squared, right, multiplied by 3b, right? 4a squared means 16a squared, 16a squared multiplied by 3 is 18a squared, and 18a squared, sorry, 16 and then 48 and then 3 is 144. So 144a squared b, and this can be written as 3 multiplied by 4a multiplied by 3b whole squared. If you solve this, you will get 108b squared. That means that, it means that if you take this as x, so this is x cubed, minus if you take 3b as y, this is y cubed, then this is x, this is y, so this term becomes minus 3x squared y, this is x, this is y, so this term becomes plus 3xy squared. Now this is of the form x minus y whole cubed. It means that 4a minus 3b whole cubed. Therefore, the three factors of this polynomial are 4a minus 3b multiplied by 4a minus 3b multiplied by 4a minus 3b. So these are the factors, and we have factorized this polynomial. Here we have 27p cubed minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2p squared plus 1 by 4p. Now this 27p cubed means what? This is 3p whole cubed minus 1 by 6 whole cubed, right? Because 6 whole cubed means 216, then minus 3, you have 3p whole square and 1 by 6. 3p whole square means 9p squared, right? And 9p squared multiplied by, this is 3 multiplied by 1 by 6 means 1 by 2. Therefore, this whole will give you 9 by 2p squared. Then plus 3, this is 3p multiplied by 1 by 6 whole squared. 1 by 6 whole squared. So 1 by 6 whole squared means 1 by 36. Then 1 by 36, and you have 3 here. So that becomes 1 by 12. Then 1 by 12 multiplied by 3p means 1 by 4p. If you solve this, you'll get 1 by 4p only. Now, if you take this as x, then this is x cubed minus, if you take 1 by 6 as y, this is y cubed, this is x, this is y, so this term becomes minus 3x squared y, this is x, this is y, this whole term becomes 3x y squared. It means it's of the form x minus y whole cubed, where x is 3p minus y is 1 by 6 whole cubed, right? It means that the three factors are 3p minus 1 by 6 multiplied by 3p minus 1 by 6 multiplied by 3p minus 1 by 6. These are the three factors, and we have factorized this polynomial into its factors. So this is about the factorization of this polynomial.